All right, people, we're gonna be changing a rear tail light and brake light to the same exact ones on a, let's see, on a Volkswagen Jetta. Okay, can you go inside and brake real quick?
What, there's more than one light in it?
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna be changing the tail light.
I don't have to start it.
No, start it.
I have to start it.
Yeah. Okay, turn on your lights.
The lights are on.
Okay, turn it off.
Now they're off.
Okay, I see the burnt one. Burnt one's right here. Press the brake.
Pressing the brake.
Okay, take your foot off and turn off the car. All right, so real quick, you did not need to remove the nut that I took off. You can just basically just back it out. Yeah, if you look over here, this is burnt. Yeah, so I think you.
That's what the front one looks like. It's about to go out too.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter. So I got my brand new light right here. And so I'm not sure if I got it on video, but just in case I didn't show it last time, you push and you twist to the left and it comes out. So this one is good light. So, and you turn. So this one, there is a groove right here, small one. You go in, push, you turn right, and you let it pop out. That's it. Let's go ahead and inspect the left one. There's a lot of tools. So as I said, you can just, oh, it is stuck. I think this, oh. So if yours is not broken, I guess hers is. You just gotta pull on this. It's weird. Where's the other, oh, there's two levers. There's a lever here and a lever there, and then pops right out. Looks like this one is almost out, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing. Push, twist, takes it out, and get the brand new one. Align it with the small hole right here. Push, oops, push. Okay, push to the right, and it stays in there. And that goes back where it came from into its own holes, and then it clips. Oh, you gotta put it up first and the top. There we go. Here we go. All right, same thing goes here. You fish it from the top first. The clips always face the, okay, put the top first. Cool, everything is clipped. And then you do not need to remove the nut that I removed. So here we go, it's a 10mm, just in case you messed up. All right, now let's go ahead and do it. Where'd you go? Where's the key?
Wait, just for $2. I took my $10. They'll have to come and look for me.
You took your 10? Fuck
Yeah,
that guy. Fuck that guy.
He's making me wait forever.
Well, next time.
Just for $2. Just for $2.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Go ahead and okay, so turn on the lights. Okay, and then now brake light. Okay, turn the lights off. Take your foot off the brake. Press the brake, and Amazing. That's it. All right, now, yeah, let me clear the
There
code.
he goes.
Who? Oh yeah, she's coming. All right, so this is the code, and the reason why is because the light bulb thingy was not showing up over here. She saw it for once and then it went away, but I ran the codes and it's right here under electronic central electric, and then it's for left tail light lamp, but I changed both, so go ahead and clear it. It's already past it for sporadic on Volkswagens. Once you see that, that's how you know that there's the problem is gone. I don't know why it popped up on her dash and it went away, probably because the light is just going out. I don't know why she has all these codes, but I'm gonna clear it. But anyways, that's gonna be it. So if you want a recap, just right here, and then 2 clips. Let me turn on my light right there. So there's a clip from here, clip from there. You push on them and then you pull it, and then that's it. Change them as I showed you, and then that's gonna be it. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you later.